Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the app and device are up to date, because new builds often unlock better rendering options. Once done, free at least 2 GB and clear the game cache so assets load correctly. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled only if you intend to inspect device settings, otherwise skip that step. You want a clean baseline before changing graphics, since poor storage or outdated APKs will limit HDR availability and produce inconsistent results. You now go straight into Bgmi in-game graphics menu to enable HDR or Ultra HD where offered, because that is the official path. Once selected, raise frame rate to extreme, or the top setting your device supports so motion and HDR tone mapping stays smooth. Also adjust anti-aliasing and shadow quality. If HDR causes stuttering, reduce shadows first. You'll get the best visual payoff when the in-game options and your device performance are aligned. So tweak and you finish by restarting both the game and your device, because some graphics changes require a full reload. Then join a short match to confirm HDR visuals and frame stability on a stable network. If HDR still doesn't appear, make sure your phone's display HDR or enhanced color mode is enabled, and check for GPU driver updates from the vendor. If problems persist, lower one graphics setting at a time to spot the bottleneck. Only then consider reinstalling the app as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.